Hey guys, here's a 42-inch Hunter Beacon Hill ceiling fan in white. This fan is from the 27th week of 2013, which means it's from July 2013. So I picked this fan up for really cheap online, and I mainly got it because I wanted to see what these newer Hunters were like. So I know I have one other newer Hunter, it's a Hunter Caribbean Breeze, but that's a real big tropical fan. It doesn't compare to Hunter's baseline models like this one. And there's a couple things I realized, which I feel kind of dumb I didn't realize them sooner. One being the canopy. So after looking over it a little bit, I just realized that I don't think these can be flush mounted because there is no screw holes in the top of the motor housing so that the canopy can be attached to it. I think what they do, and I'm 99% sure this is the case, I think they just give you a really short down rod, which is what's on the fan right now, and that's kind of your close mount option. The down rod on the fan right now is about a little bit under an inch, it seems like. But you know, I'm not really complaining because of that, because it's a smart idea, put it that way. Yeah. This fan runs pretty quiet too, I put it that way. I know I have some other early 2000s Hunters, and they hum pretty badly. But this one doesn't hum, that much at least. But yeah, so anyway, here's the light. It has 3 candelabra bulbs in it, which I'm not too fond of. I'd rather have the regular incandescents, but you can't have everything you want, right? And here's low speed. It does have a pretty fast low speed, but that's kind of the case with all the newer fans nowadays. I will mention though, and I do have to knock this fan a little bit, the canopy is probably the ugliest canopy I've ever seen in my entire life. I think it looks atrocious. I think it looks, the main reason why I don't like it probably is because you could see the mounting bracket through the hole, which I think it just kind of looks dumb. You know, I'd rather have just a regular traditional canopy that you can just, you know, it looks very sleek. This thing kind of sticks out like a sore thumb. But I mean, it's not going to stop me from putting it up anywhere, but I'm just saying it's not very appealing. I think Hunter could have done better with that. Medium. It's going to wobble just a little bit because one of the blades is out of clock. I forgot to mention, it did come with a remote control receiver, but no remote. So, whatever. Not too worried about that. And here's high speed. And it really does get moving on high, and it moves a pretty good amount of air, so I think Hunter didn't really chintz out too much on the airflow. Still throws out a nice breeze. And it also flips over to light oak, which I do like the light oak that it has. But anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.